Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to make roses with crepe paper. Now, this is a crepe paper, it's crushed. This is the way a crepe paper looks. The same crepe paper is used for making streamers also, streamers that we use for decoration during our parties. Now, we get the crepe paper in a bundle like this long. So, how to cut for the petals? From here, you need to take around one finger length or how much ever height you need for the petal, around 3 inches. So in a bundle, just cut off 3 inches. We are going to take this. We need to make petals out of these. So first, open this and fold it properly in half. Again in half. You need to fold this multiple times till you get equal layers, equal sized layers. So I will fold one more time, and this is the breadth of the petal. This is almost like a square, 3 inches into 3 inches. Now we need to cut a petal shape on this. A simple petal shape. I am cutting 2 slits here. This will be the base of the petal. And here I need to cut a petal shape. So just a slight curve here and cut the petal like this. Now each petal we need to curl them. Now the lines are vertical to the petal. The lines are vertical. So if we stretch it a little bit here, it will give a 3D effect. So we need to stretch it a little bit here. This is the inside of the petal and this is the back side of the petal. The place where it's elevated, this is the inside of the petal. Where there is depression, this is the back side of the petal. Now we have to curl the petals backwards. You can take any broomstick for the stem, and with the broomstick you can curl it backwards like this. I'll show again. Take a petal, stretch it and curl it in the backside direction. You can use a refill also to curl it backwards. If you don't have a broomstick for the stem, you can also use a skewer stick. If you don't have a skewer stick also, any thin stick. You can also use an old refill for the stem. So we need to stretch here and curl the petal backwards. So like this we need to do for all the petals. Now I have curled all the petals. Stretch it here and curl it in the backside direction so that it looks like this. Here I have some 16 petals. Now first we need to take the rest of the paper that we had cut, the small piece, the extra piece after cutting the petals. We need to take this and take the broomstick for the stem, keep it on it and we need to make a bud. So curl it around the tip of the stem and tie it with a thread. The whole bud, see, I'm tying it like this. It has to be tight. Make a loop and put knots like this. This is the bud, the center of the flower. Now we need to stick all these petals on this. Now apply glue at the base of the petal and spread it. This is the inside of the petal. This depression is the outside of the petal. So I have applied at the base of the inside of the petal and carefully stick it on this bud, at the base of this bud. Start from one side and gently curl it around. The first few petals will be curled. Take the second petal, same way apply glue, spread it and stick it right in front of this petal. So it's here, I am sticking it right in front of this petal at the same level. I'm not going down. This has to be at the same level. Now same way, adjust all the petals one by one, apply glue at the base and keep sticking them. Now the outside petals will be bloomed outside. Keep sticking it one after the other, but at the same level. This should not keep going down. It has to be at the same level. So with this paper, I had cut around 16 petals. This will be enough for one flower. Don't forget to spread the glue. When you're applying the glue, spread it, otherwise it will not stick properly. You can do this with any color, but see that you do only with one color, one flower with one color, or if it's a gradient of color, you can do that. If you get, suppose yellow, orange, red, it's yellow at the center, becomes orange around it, then it becomes red. That will look good, but drastically don't change the color, or else do it with the same color. So when you're sticking the petals at the same level, it will look as if it's blooming on the outside. See, keeps coming down. It will look like it's blooming. Now I'm done sticking with all the petals. Now see, it looks like a rose. Now we will wind the stem with green color. So take a strip of green colored paper, apply some glue at the top and wind it around from the top like this. First stick this and then wind the paper around the stem.
Yes.
The stem is too long, so I'll just keep it till here. I'll cut this. I'll cut the stem. At last apply some glue here and stick it. The stem is done. You can also have some cutouts like this for the calyx. So I will apply some glue at the base here, spread it and wind it around the base of the flower so that it looks like a calyx of the flower. Like this. Now let's have some leaves. I've cut out some green colored leaves with the same crepe paper. Here also you can stretch a little bit to give a 3D effect. Apply some glue at the base. Give it a little curl like this. I'll stick a few more leaves. This is the rose with crepe paper.